Mr. Mush here. So, for our drawing project for Lunar New Year, we're going to make a little cat called the Maneki-Neko, or the Beckoning Cat. Now, originally this cat was famous in Japan, but China has taken it in upon their culture. It's called the Beckoning Cat because it's a lucky cat who has a little paw. They make statues of these, and he beckons you to come over to give him gold or orange slices, and it's very popular in China. So we're going to do a little drawing of this little cat, all right? And I'm just going to do it in a really simple style, okay? So our first step is we're going to draw kind of like a rounded triangle, like jelly bean, because our cat's going to be chubby, all right? Okay, next we're going to do the similar shape, rounded triangle for the ears, and we're going to do it again on the inside like that. Okay, and then we're going to give our cat, now usually when you see these statues, if you Google on the internet and search on the internet, and you type in good luck Chinese cat, you'll see their eyes sometimes are closed, sometimes they're open. I'm going with the closed because I think it looks cute. Giving him whiskers, W mouth. Okay, I'm going to have his one paw right here, draw some lines inside, and then we're going to have the one paw up like this. So I'm just drawing kind of like a swirl, and then I have it come down like that, and then draw the little lines to show that it's his paw. And normally when you look at these cats, they have like a collar, okay, and then they have like a big, like golden medallion like on their collar, because this cat brings you good luck. It brings you money, it brings you wealth, it brings you health. Okay, then I'm going to draw the feet. I'm going to draw just little circles for the feet right here, just like this. And I'm erasing the lines from the cat's body, and then I'm drawing the little circles right here like that. Okay, then next I'm going to give him a little tail. Just draw a wiggly line like that. And then I'm going to give him a cushion. So I'm going to draw a straight line on each side like that. And then a diagonal line. This is called a parallelogram. Okay. And then I bring it back around. And then I do it again. I draw a line down here. Connect it. Just like that. Okay. So now we got our cat. Now, as I was saying before, for a sign of good luck in China is obviously gold coins and then orange slices. So we're going to draw a little pot in between our cat's legs, like this, and then we're going to draw some gold coins like this. Okay, fill it up with gold coins. Okay, and then we're going to draw some orange slices. So an orange slice, just draw a diagonal line and then connect it with a smile, and then just draw some lines inside like that. And I'm going to draw one more over here. Now you can add as many orange slices and gold coins, like maybe there's some gold coins around this cat. All right. Now, obviously I chose red because red is a lucky color in China, all right? So, and also I chose red is because a lot of times when you see these cats, they're colored white, all right? So I'm going to use my white crayon to color my cat in, all right? And I'll see you on the other side. All right, so I'm done coloring in my cat, and now I'm going to color in his collar. And I'm just going to use a red crayon for that. Even though the paper is red, it'll be extra red for the collar. So we want our cat to bring us good luck for the Lunar New Year. Okay, and then I'm going to color in the gold on his collar. And then I'm gonna color in the gold in his bucket. And then I'm gonna color that bucket red. Are you sensing the theme here? Red and yellow. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my orange. I'm gonna color in my orange slices. Okay, and then I'm gonna color these gold coins. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some black and color in my kitty's paws, just like this. Okay. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to outline my cat. And you know what? I'm gonna make my kitty's ears inside golden right there before I forget. Okay, so now I'm gonna outline them, all right? So I'm just gonna take a color of my choosing. I think I'm gonna outline them in red, and then I'll use the black to go over his paws and things like that. But I think overall, I'm gonna outline them in red and then black on the inside. All right, so I'm gonna outline everything, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so I'm done outlining, and there is our lucky cat for Lunar New Year. All right, so I would love to see your lucky cats. So send us a picture to the email below or tag us on social media. I can't wait to see all the different colored cats that you guys send in. All right, well, with that being said, I'll see you in the next project.
Peace.